What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to clean a throttle body on a Toyota 4Runner. This job is pretty simple, and the only thing you're going to need is a 10mm socket and ratchet, or a 10mm wrench, and CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner. I'll leave a link in the description below for this. The first thing you're going to do is remove the plastic engine cover by lifting up firmly and then pulling straight out. The throttle body itself is located between the air intake and the intake manifold. It's the metal housing here. Next, take the 10mm socket and ratchet, or your wrench, and loosen the hose clamp between the air intake and the throttle body. Next, take both hands and pry the hose off the throttle body. This takes a decent amount of force, but it should be doable. If it's giving you trouble, loosen up the hose clamp a little bit more. Once you have fully removed the hose, make sure you clean out the intake. Make sure there's no dust or anything from the hose itself or anything in there, because you don't want to spray this into the actual engine. Then put a towel or rag underneath the throttle body to catch any overspray. Using the throttle body cleaner, give it some quick sprays and try to loosen any gunk or buildup on the butterfly valve itself. After you're satisfied with how clean the throttle body is, it's time to reinstall the intake hose. This is somewhat of a pain, but it's important that you install it all the way and seat it down fully before you tighten down the hose clamp. Once you have it installed, just make sure it's seated up against this small tab here. Then you can go ahead and tighten down the hose clamp. This hose clamp should be fairly tight so that no air leaks around it, but also do not over tighten it. Once you have the hose clamp tightened down, before you put the engine cover back, you should start up the engine just to make sure it starts up correctly. It's a little bit hard starting at first, but it should fire up. Then the last thing you're going to do is reinstall the engine cover, 2 tabs in the back, and then 2 posts in the front. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And also check out my other 4Runner maintenance videos and all my other maintenance videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.